Hello, so I am here to show you how to set up the development environment for software on the underwater robotics team. I am currently in a brand new virtual machine that's basically got a fresh install of Ubuntu on here. So to start, in our home directory, we're going to make a folder called osu-uwrt. This is where everything's going to be. It's important that you have it in this location because it matters. Then once we're inside of this folder, we're going to include down a repository from GitHub and show you what repository that is. So under the team's GitHub section, and you go into repositories, here you'll see Riptide Setup. This is a repository that will help you get everything set up on your computer. Took a second to load. Copy this URL. We're going to clone this down. Now, once this is all done, go into the Riptide Setup folder and run, just give you an idea of what it looks like in there, and run setup.sh. This will pull down all the different packages for ROS that we want. Well, not all of the packages. I'll pull down some of the packages on the master branch. You can change which packages you have in the future. This is just sort of a default setup for now. So we are going to enter. And you can see it starts cloning. It'll then set up your system as it runs the update system script. You can run the script again in the future. I'll show you how in a different video. So I'm going to pause this and then show you what it looks like when it's all done. So I'm going to kind of cheat because I'm too lazy to wait for that entire process to finish. So this is what it's going to look like when it's finished. Here's our initial Riptide setup folder. Here under dependencies, this is a ROS workspace where it has set up some of the dependencies for our ROS packages that we're going to use. This will change as time goes on, so don't be concerned if yours doesn't look exactly like mine. And finally, under Riptide software, under source, here's a list of packages that have been pulled down. Once again, yours may be different than mine, as this will change as you continue to work. But this is where all of the code for the team is, and you're mainly going to be working in this folder. Your computer now should be completely set up and you're good to go.